marketing. So, yeah, talk of the town. So, how many of you are using ChatGPT? All of you. In terms of new users, how many existing users came, what revenue it generated or did not generate, what regions, where they are coming from, so we can judge the nationalities, and that's how it all works.
So, hi guys, my name is Ziad Al-Suqi. I'm a year 2 student studying business management with marketing, and I'm currently here in the University of Birmingham, and we were very lucky to have an amazing, insightful presentation with regards to digital marketing. And
Thank you so much.
it was amazing to get the opportunity to sort of consolidate the whole idea of digital marketing and artificial intelligence, and we got amazing insight and like an amazing opportunity to understand what's the next where things will go later on.
Thank you so much for attending, and I'm very glad you liked it.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Good afternoon. This is Sid. We're here at the beautiful University of Birmingham, which has over 100 years of solid history and multiple Nobel Prize winners, as you can see behind me. We're here today with Miss Hina Bakht, who is a guest lecturer here, who's talking about digital marketing and how AI is transforming digital marketing. So let's go to her and see what she has to say about how her lecture went and why she's going to universities as a lecturer about this topic.
So it's been a great pleasure this morning. It was wonderful to share my knowledge and learning on digital marketing with students at the Birmingham University. I've been coming here frequently, and not only just to this university, but a lot of other universities. And the reason behind is that we believe in sharing knowledge and learning with the new generation, because there's nothing better than the gift of education, and that is one of the primary objectives. It's also very interesting. It's not a one-way learning, so it's a two-way learning process. It's also very interesting to know what they think, what their questions are, how they perceive the future, what are their plans. And I'm glad that the students have liked it this morning, and I hope to continue this journey with them. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Kareem from University of Birmingham, second year in business management and marketing. Yeah, it was very nice listening to your presentation. We've learned a lot from your presentation, and especially when it comes to marketing and leads generation, and the tools necessary that are required for future marketing roles, which was very interesting to learn.
Thank you so much,
No
Kareem, for
problem.
attending the class. Hello, everyone. So I'm here with Dr. Senika, who has a doctorate in digital marketing. And I'm very grateful to you, Dr. Senika, for having me for this guest lecture at the Birmingham University. It was really very interesting to see the students and the kind of questions they had, and how they were interested in all aspects of digital marketing. So thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Hina, for being here today. Actually, I absolutely loved having you in my class, and I'm sure students
Thank you.
learn so much from your experience. For me, based on my experience, I mean, I always share the practical side as well with my students. I think they need to stay up to date with what's happening in the industry, and you bring that practitioner's perspective. And we really enjoy listening to you, to your side, you know, how things happen in the business. Also learning about the different tools that you use. I think it was very exciting, and also hearing from you, like your personal experience with each marketing tool, especially the digital marketing tools. We spoke so much about, you know, artificial intelligence and what's going on now. So definitely think this brings a plus to what we are already teaching students. It adds on to the experience. So thank you so much, and I hope we'll collaborate more in the future.
Oh, thank you so much. And I'm really looking forward to it. I really enjoyed as much. Thank you. Thanks. Bye.